this is how to effectively mix uh, premix additives to your feed formulation. And these are additives. It contains so many things. It contains methionine, lysine, uh, toxin binder, vitamin premix, and the rest. So now we want to mix it to this feed. You can see, we want to mix it to this feed. So what we do is you mix a little portion of it. Mix a little portion of it into here and put it together. Then get small quantity of it, mix it together, and then make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. Now this is actually for those that don't have mixer. Then don't give yourself any excuse of not working because you don't have mixer, or you say you want to get mixer first before you start your production. No. Now what exactly are we mixing? This is actually pig feed. You understand? So we are mixing our additives to the whole portion. So because of absence of mixer for small scale farmers, then you pour it. Do you see? So we mix. All right, let's do the remixing now. So that's it. We are done doing our mixing.